In this video, we are going to explore logging systems, focusing on centralized logging and log aggregation. Centralized logging involves collecting logs from various sources into a single unified location. Log aggregation, on the other hand, deals with processing and analyzing these logs to derive meaningful insights and enhance system monitoring. Let's address the question, why centralized logging? Distributed logs scattered across multiple servers can create several problems. Searching through these logs becomes cumbersome, troubleshooting is time-consuming, and obtaining a unified view of overall system health is challenging. Furthermore, maintaining and monitoring distributed logs is complex. The centralized logging offers a solution by providing a single point of access for all logs. This enables unified search capabilities, streamlined monitoring, and comprehensive analysis. Here is an overview of a typical logging architecture. The architecture comprises three primary components: log sources, a log aggregator, and a central storage. Log sources include applications, services, and various infrastructure components that generate log data. The log aggregator processes, filters, transforms, and routes the incoming logs. Finally, the central storage serves as the repository where logs are stored, enabling search, analysis, monitoring, and alerting functionalities. Let's explore the various log sources. These can be broadly categorized into application logs and infrastructure logs. Application logs originate from web applications, microservices, database systems, application programming interface gateways, and message queues. On the other hand, infrastructure logs are generated by operating systems, load balancers, network devices, security systems, and container platforms. Now let's examine some of the log aggregation tools available. Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine with powerful indexing capabilities, offering real-time search and a representational state transfer application programming interface. Fluentd is an open-source data collector designed to unify log collection and consumption, boasting a plugin ecosystem, JSON structured formatting, and memory efficiency. Logstash is a server-side data processing pipeline capable of transforming and shipping logs, featuring rich filters, multiple output options, and integration with the ELK Stack, that is, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Let's consider a specific example of the ELK Stack. The ELK Stack is comprised of Elasticsearch for search and storage, Logstash for processing data, and Kibana for visualization and user interface. Here's an example Logstash configuration. The input section defines the sources, such as beats and files. The filter section uses grok to match and parse the message based on a defined pattern. The output section specifies Elasticsearch as the destination for the processed logs. Here is a typical log processing pipeline. The pipeline consists of two main steps. The first step is the collection. This involves gathering logs from multiple sources using agents or direct streaming. Here's an example of FileBeat configuration which defines the type as log and specifies the paths to log files. The second step is processing. This includes parsing, filtering, enriching, and transforming log data into a structured format. The filter section shows an example grok filter. Let's discuss some of the benefits and best practices associated with logging systems. Key benefits include faster troubleshooting and debugging, real-time system monitoring, unified search across all services, improved performance insights, and enhanced security analysis. Best practices include standardizing log formats, utilizing structured logging such as JSON, incorporating timestamps and relevant context, implementing log rotation policies, and ensuring secure log transmission. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.